We're back on it. We're back on it. We're back on it. It's 5:20. I mean, it's 5:20 a.m. in the morning, and I never wanted to make this video, but I felt like it's good to document every single move, every single stress that I'm going through on this project. So I'm gonna take you guys in so that you got to witness exactly how I start my day. Okay, how I start my day and how I end my day. The previous video that you just watched, um, that's how I end my day. Around sometimes 1 a.m. in the morning or so. I start my day with this little water. I get inside. Let me show you guys inside, okay? It's pretty hot. Alright, so this is how my day looks like. Early in the morning. Today the temperature has really dropped. I have to go check that. Okay. At this level, everybody's up, ready to eat a drink. Movement inside is pretty slow, because at any time this guy can just. Alright, so this is the current temperature right now, 28 degrees. 28 degrees Celsius. So I mean, it's supposed to be like 30 degrees, but it has really dropped. So I have to make sure I heat the whole place. The good thing is they're pretty active, like you can see, they're active. Everyone is trying to look for something right now to eat, which is good because they are not just gathering at one end. And if that happens, it means they are really feeling cold or something like that. But everyone is pretty active right now, just trying to get food. So what I'm going to do right now is to see how I can heat the house. But before I do that, I think I have to give them food first because they are not really feeling cold. What they want right now is food. So I have to give them food. And okay, yeah. If you look at this room very well, it's full with green tarpaulin. You see that green tarpaulin. All right. I think I'm gonna explain that in the next video or something. But let me just try and brief everything. I have framed this section, and where you have this green tarpaulin, there's still some extension behind. But you know, in whatever you do, if it's your very first time, the second time you're going to realize like, oh, had I known, I could have done it like this, like this, like this, like that. So the company that came and to deliver me my chicks, they told me, hey, if you have to, design your house like this, you're going to spend a lot on charcoal because my house is pretty big, and I'm going to spend so much on charcoal. So I had to go get more tarpaulin, try to reduce the size of the house so that I can accumulate more heat right in this space. So I mean, I tried, and it works. If you look, sorry, if you look below, there's still a lot of space, but we got heat. The house is pretty heated up. And yeah, okay, guys, let me cut all the talking and get to work. If you got some ideas on how I can redesign my house or my poultry shed, I mean the interior part, just let me know in the comment section so that next heating period I can take your instructions and see how I can heat my house and save some cost on charcoal. Okay, and yeah, and also if you have some tips and you think it will be very important for me to follow as a poultry farmer, please also let me know at the comment section. Okay, share the video. Why not? Share the video. I'll see you guys on another one. Bye bye.